What if I told you you could make your first $1,000 selling a digital product in a week? Even if you hate tech, don't have a huge audience, and have no idea what to sell yet. Sound impossible? Well, stick around because I'm breaking it all down in 4 easy steps and showing you how to start for free. So I'm Jillian Leslie, founder of MiloTree, the easiest, most affordable software to sell digital products, grow your email list, and boost your social media followers all in minutes. And I have helped thousands of creators, bloggers, coaches, and online entrepreneurs turn their knowledge into income. If you want to jump in early, pause this video, go to MiloTree.com. The link is also below. Sign up for your free account, then discover the fastest, most intuitive way to launch your first product today. No tech headaches, no credit card. But if you're staying to hear my 4 steps, let's go. Step 1, pick a simple product that solves a real problem. So this is where people get stuck. Please don't overthink it. You don't need a 16-module course as your first product. You need one solution to one painful problem, and use these 6 purchasing triggers to hone in on your product. So, can your product make somebody money, save somebody time, move somebody toward happiness, move them away from pain, and or raise their social status? If you can get them into one of these buckets, you're on your way. If you can get them into more power to you. Here are some quick product ideas that our customers sell using MiloTree. A chore chart for busy moms for $27. Instagram Reel Content Calendar, $47. A beginner's meal prep workshop, $67. A one-on-one Etsy coaching call, $97. If you're not sure what to sell, grab my free AI prompt at MiloTree.com this week to give you 10 awesome digital products you can launch this week. Also, click this link to watch my video on the beginner's guide to selling digital products. Okay, step 2, use a simple sales page. So no website, no problem. MiloTree gives you a high converting sales page powered by AI. Just add your product name, your price, and a 1-sentence description, and boom, your sales page ready in seconds. So your sales page needs to answer 3 questions. What problem does your product solve? How does it solve it? And how do I buy it right now? So if your sales page doesn't answer all 3 of these, you are losing money. This is why your MiloTree sales page is so powerful right out of the gate, and why you won't even need to edit it. Step 3, sell with a simple 3-email sequence. So email is where the magic happens. Please don't skip this. In fact, watch this video here about how email is your selling superpower and why you should be growing your list. So email number 1 is going to be your hook and your story. So you're going to tell a little bit about what your product does. So you say, I used to struggle with X until I discovered Y, and that is your solution. Email 2, handle objections. We all have them. So people will read this and go, I'm not sure it'll work for me. And you, in this email, explain why it will. And then in your 3rd email, you're going to add urgency. Buy it now because the price goes up on Friday. And you just add the link to your MiloTree sales page in each of these emails to sell your product simply. Now, if you have no email list yet, no problem. Use our free plan, our MiloTree free plan, to deliver a freebie and start building one. If you don't have a freebie yet, no problem. Just grab these 3 AI prompts at MiloTree.com/freebie prompts, and you will be able to create one personalized for your niche in about 10 minutes. And this will also be in a link below. If you want to double your revenue, however, without doubling your work, step 4 is how. So step 4 is that you're going to scale your income with upsells and urgency. If you want to go from $100 to $1,000 fast. Here's how. You're going to offer a bonus after somebody purchases. And I'm talking about a related product or something that gets your customer closer to their goal. This is going to show up on the thank you page after they purchased, and MiloTree does this for you. You're also going to think about a flash sale. Add a 24-hour offer to spark action. Why should your customer buy it now? And also follow up, meaning you want to talk about your product everywhere. Most people need to see your offer at least 7 times before they buy. So I'm going to say be salesy. But being salesy doesn't mean being pushy. It means believing in what you're selling, talking about it everywhere, and sharing it on social media, sharing about it wherever your people show up. So here's your challenge. Pick a product from your list of 10 awesome digital products from this AI prompt. Set it up in MiloTree for free. Send 3 emails. Post it on social media. Again, share it where your people hang out. And that's it. Start with our free plan where you can sell 1 product, grow your list with 1 freebie. And if you have a blog or a website, use 1 pop-up that will grow your social media followers 24/7. So again, go to MiloTree right now, set up your first product in under 10 minutes, go play around, see what it's all about. And if you want unlimited products, unlimited freebies, and unlimited pop-ups, upgrade anytime for just $19 a month. I have seen this strategy work for thousands of online entrepreneurs. Just think, this week could be you making your first dollar or your first $100 or even your first $1,000. So welcome to building your digital product empire. I, Jillian, am rooting for you.